Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through Norwegian cruise lines and our experiences with that line. We went on my first cruise ever, but before we did that, we watched a whole bunch of videos about cruising, things to do, things not to do, which I will come out with a video about that probably next month or something like that. But for right now, we went on this Norwegian cruise in August of 2025, and I broke this video down so it wouldn't be really long, but I really wanted to get you to experience the entertainment side of it, what happened as far as entertainment. I did a whole separate video of nothing. Choir of Man, I got its own section because it was I did so much videos there, so I really wanted to get a feel. It's probably their biggest production show. Of course, as I do this, someone with a diesel's got to come by. Yeah, not a fan of diesels. This is a gasser. But anyway, and also I want to give you also want to do a video on excursions, another video on the food itself, and another video on the ship and what's the ship layout kind of thing, and some things you can expect to see on the ship as far as embarkation, deportation. Deportation? I guess maybe deportation. Disembarkation. But come on with this. I'll put whatever this one here is right down here. So that's going to tell you what this particular video is going to be about, which you should probably already know by the caption. Anyway, come on with this because you just entered the Coolest Life, which is this one here is going to be ship version.
Boat to go to the back of the boat at the same time. Try to make it do a wheelie. Like when we're coming to the port where the other boats are, and they're looking over and seeing us just get the captain to hit the wheel real hard when he's pulling in, like to splash the other boats.
Learning salsa dancing today, so I want to show you a little extra video of this. Let's just see if they got some extra light here.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Faster,
2, 3,
faster.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 404. They just totally 4 out.
5, 6, 7. Then basic 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
There's a light right there.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5,
A lot of fun on board. You just gotta take advantage of what's going on or what's going on. Just take advantage of it. Just go out and have a good time with it. Plug into what you want to plug in with, whether it be deal or no deal or any kind of dance lessons like this. It's awesome.
Get ready. We're gonna spin to the left, so get ready. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Ay, 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 can they go? 5, 6, 7. We're gonna spin to the right. 3, 2, 1. Then 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. We're going to the side and spin to the side. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
Now you know how to salsa dance.
1, 2, 3.
More live music. I always need to take advantage of that, and we got the scene across around the top. They're pretty good. This is the same stage they were just playing a Deal or No Deal on and had trivia earlier. Pretty cool.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What? Better than Ace of Spades. It's too hard. Here's the deal, Major. Before the show tonight, I had a premonition. Matter of fact, I'm going to have another one right after the show. Felt so great. I had a premonition I was going to meet you. You're going to take an imaginary deck of cards out, and you're going to shuffle the cards, and you're going to reverse one card and one card only. I'm going to pull these out here so you guys can really see this. If I go through my jumbo deck, what card do you say? The two of what? Wow, less than half. Okay, I'm shocked. This is a cube here. What I like to do here, I like to get some randomness. I want to get pieces of you on the cube. I'm going to give the cube to you, my dear, and if you would, just kind of give it a twist or a turn or something like that. And once you're done, pass it next. And when you give it a few twists and you pass along, done. When we think of something being solved, all we're doing is we're comparing it to something we know before. Example, if I say solved, you're thinking of, in your mind, you're comparing it to one.
It's good to be back home. Leave it till tomorrow to unpack my case. Honey, disconnect the phone. I'm back in the USSR. You know how lucky you are, boy. Back in the US, back in the US, back in the USSR. Be a joker 'cause he's so hard to please. Shoot.
Back here in the main Encore theater, and this is the Beatles Invasion show. It's called Through the Years. I'll do a few clips. The local, getting a drink. Basically, you that's the bar over there I just showed you, but straight across is where you actually say, yeah, I want to get something to eat while I'm here, because anybody can just come up here and sit if they wanted to and not eat. Because sometimes you do that when there's something going on down there, and so you can watch it from up here. Like right now, there's a guy playing music who's an employee here, and he was on a schedule, so that's kind of why we came down here and chose to eat instead of going to buffet or someplace. But we got wings coming and some other food.